Hey, this is Deb with Twin States Harley-Davidson. I just wanted to take a second and tell you about an exciting promotion that we have going on right now. Bike Week is coming, and soon after we'll be rolling right into Sturgis. We have teamed up with Jesse James Dupree for an event called Rolling Laconia. Yes, Jesse James Dupree, from America's Outlaw Bourbon, lead singer from Jackal, and performer at Sturgis Full Throttle Saloon. Crazy, I know. It all starts here with a voucher that's uniquely numbered to get you into all the drawings. The drawings start at store level, which our grand prize is gonna be this autographed chainsaw by Jesse himself. And then we go into the second wave of drawings where you can win a 6-night stay at Laconia, a trip to Sturgis, and the grand prize is a brand new 2021 Electra Glide Standard. Remember, it all starts with a voucher right here, and the number of entries that you earn depends on how much fun you want to have. To learn more and to get your voucher, come see me right here at Twin States Harley-Davidson in Lebanon, New Hampshire.